Use a disposable mask and you'll never have stains in the toilet. I used to struggle with keeping my toilet spotless, but this trick changed everything. Grab a face mask. Don't worry about whether it's new or used. It'll work the same either way. Now, take some scissors and cut a small piece from one corner of the mask, just like this. Then, take the piece you cut off and cut the ear loop as well. Set that piece aside. We'll need it shortly. Face masks are so much more versatile than you might think. They can trap particles, but with this trick, you're turning them into a helpful tool for your bathroom. Unfold the mask in the middle to create a little pocket. Now, grab half a lime and cut it into small pieces. Tell me what country you're watching from. I'd love to give you a special shout out in my next video. Once the lime is cut, place the pieces into the pocket you created with the mask. Then, take the ear loop that we set aside earlier and tie it around the opening of the mask to secure the lime pieces. Make sure it's nice and tight so nothing falls out. Now that the mask is ready, let's head to the toilet tank. Remove the lid and hang the mask with the lime inside the tank. If you're anything like me, you know how annoying it is to constantly clean out the toilet tank, dealing with mineral buildup and that yellowish residue. I used to rely on so many cleaning products and a toilet brush to keep it under control. It was time-consuming and costly. But this trick? It takes care of both the smell and the cleaning. This is a two-in-one solution that keeps your toilet smelling fresh and helps prevent buildup inside the tank. The lime's natural acidity works as a descaler, fighting against corrosion and limescale. After about 10 minutes of letting the lime work its magic in the tank, flush the toilet. You'll notice a slight foam and a wonderful limony scent. The longer you keep the lime in the tank, the stronger the scent and the cleaner the result. This trick should keep things fresh for around a week and a half.